Hello. In engineering physics, I am going to concentrate on problems of oscillations and waves, which comes under module 1 of VTU syllabus. So let us concentrate on example number 9. So I am going to read out the problem here. A sonometer wire under tension is plucked and left free for vibrations. Find its frequency of vibrations if the midpoint on the spring attains a maximum velocity of 1.57 meter per second when its amplitude of oscillation is 5 mm. Treat the vibration as simple harmonic. So here neglect the damping effects. So here the given data is Vmax is equal to 1.57 meter per second when the amplitude A is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So here we have to find out frequency of vibration, that is mu. Solution: when the damping effect is ignored, equation of free vibrations holds good. We have for free vibrations x is equal to a sin omega t, from which we get mu is equal to dx by dt, that is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. So mu is equal to, that is v is equal to v max when x is considered as 0. So V max is equal to omega into A, that is equal to 2 pi mu into A. So further we can calculate mu is equal to V max by 2 pi A, that is equal to 1.57 divided by 2 pi into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is equal to 50 Hertz. Therefore frequency of vibration of the wire is calculated as 50 Hertz. Example 10. A spring undergoes an extension of 5 cm for a load of 50 gram. Find its frequency of oscillation if it is set for vertical oscillations with a load of 200 grams attached to its bottom. Ignore the mass of the spring. So here the given data, extension of the spring is x is equal to 5 to the power of minus 2 meter. Load acting during extension capital M is equal to 50 to the power of minus 3 kg, and the load acting during extension small m is equal to 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So here we have to find the frequency of oscillation of the spring, that is mu. The force constant, if you look at the solution part, the force constant K is equal to F by X, that is equal to mg by X. So substitute the value of m, that is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9.8 divided by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So after simplification, the value of K is equal to 9.8 Newton per meter. The wire executes oscillations with a frequency equal to its natural frequency omega in the absence of any external force. Therefore, the angular frequency of the spring is given by omega is equal to square root of K by M, that is equal to square root of 9.8 divided by 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So if we calculate, the value of omega is equal to 7 radians per second. Therefore, the frequency of oscillation mu is equal to omega by 2 pi, that is equal to 7 by 2 pi. So after simplification, the value of mu is equal to 1.11 Hertz. Therefore, the frequency of oscillation of the spring is calculated as 1.11 Hertz. Now let us look at the another example. So calculate the resonance frequency for a simple pendulum of length 1 meter. So here the given data, length of the simple pendulum capital L is equal to 1 meter. So we have to find resonance frequency of oscillation, that is mu. So solution for this: a simple pendulum set for oscillations oscillates with a period, that is t is equal to 2 pi into square root of L by G. So this is the formula. So that is equal to 2 pi into square root of 1 by 9.8, that is equal to 2 seconds. Its frequency of oscillation is given by mu is equal to 1 by t, that is equal to 1 by 2, so that is equal to 0.5 Hertz. So this is its natural frequency of oscillation. Any external periodic force with this frequency causes resonant oscillation in the pendulum. Therefore, resonance frequency of the spring is given by mu is equal to 0.5 Hertz. Another example, evaluate the resonance frequency of a spring of force constant 1974 Newton per meter carrying a mass of 2 kg. So the value of K is equal to 1974 Newton per meter and the mass suspended M is equal to 2 kg. So these were all the given data. So here we have to find out resonance frequency mu. So if you look at the solution part, we know that resonance frequency of any system is equal to its natural frequency of oscillation. So the natural frequency omega is equal to square root of K by M, and also omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So finally the frequency mu is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So this is the formula. So substitute the value of K and M here. So we can able to get the value of mu as 5 Hertz. Therefore, the resonance frequency of the spring is equal to 5 Hertz. Thank you.